Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get a pinned embedded code on Pinterest. So let me go ahead and use a search here, and let's type in, for example, tech or AI. Let's type in AI, right? And let's say I come across a picture that I really like and I might want to get the code, the embedded code, so I can put it maybe on my website or something. Let's take this one here. It looks pretty interesting. So you want to click on the pin, and if you want to get the embedded code for this pin so you can put it to your website, click the three dots towards the upper left hand side, and you will have the option that says get embedded code. Now, once you do that, you have a little pop-up box which shows you that you can get the code of different sizes. So by default, this showed with medium, but you can get small, and you can get medium, large, and basically you can get extra large. And as you can see, the difference is basically these two numbers. And as you can see, the difference is just about the height and the width that is changed. Keep in mind that you're not really limited to these numbers, because if you want a different size, you can always modify the sizing to your liking when you're putting it on your website. I just want to be mindful that the larger you try to make this, it could be that you lose quality of the image. So you want to keep that in mind as well. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. All you have to do is just simply copy the code, highlight the code, and copy it, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.